Hello and welcome. You're watching the Study Visa Show. This is your host Simi, and today I have the Director of Landmark Immigration and renowned education expert of Punjab, Jasmeet Bhatia ji. Jasmeet ji, welcome to the show.
Hello everyone.
Okay, so today I would like to discuss about the students who are stuck in between for their 12th exams because the date is not appeared and they are still stuck, and if they want to apply for Jan 2022 update, what are the chances, how can they apply, and what shall they do?
See, I feel the situation for the students who will apply for Canada in upcoming fall or January 22. For fall, I don't think so. The students who will be appearing for their 10+2 exams or their graduation exams this year will be able to apply for fall. But they need to be really careful about January 2022 also. So if they are at home and they have time, I will advise all the students to do IELTS training online. So we have a portal, Landmark Immigration has a portal which covers all the 4 modules like speaking, listening, reading, writing. So it has tips for all the 4 modules. It has section test for all the 4 modules. It has mock test, complete mock test, so you can assess your performance. That is for the students. Even if you are taking Zoom classes from anywhere else also, you must have our portal. It is really helpful in assessing your test situation, in assessing your marks. So, and the validity of that portal is for 1 year. So students who will be giving exam right now in this year, I will advise them, they can apply for a conditional offer letter. So now students will ask me, what is a conditional offer letter? You need to fulfill one condition. You should have your final result or you should have your IELTS exam result. So you cannot have your final result as the exams are delayed and the dates are not finalized yet. So September, I don't think so any student who will give their 12th or graduation exams will be able to go. But January, yes, they can go. But if they do their IELTS right now, if they give their IELTS exam right now, get a conditional offer letter, they are sure, pay the tuition fee of the college, hold their seat, that means then January 22 will be their intake. So students, it is my advice to all the students who will be applying for Canada this year. So it is really advisable for them to do their IELTS classes right now only.
Yeah, so it is all about utilizing your time, as you have much time till January 2022. So you can take online classes, and Landmark Immigration Portal is giving up online classes on IELTS, all the 4 modules, and our experts are always available to answer your queries. Numbers are given on your TV screen. You can dial up or you can email for any of your queries. Our experts will be answering you all the time. So now talking about the students who have a long gap, so can they still apply for January 2022?
See, if you tell me the students who gave their exams in 2019 or even 2018, did their IELTS, took 1 year to do their IELTS, and then they missed upon going to Canada because of the COVID situation. So if you tell me that they need to do something for their gap, I will tell them no, you don't need to do anything for their gap. Do not make any fake documents, do not make any fake experience letters, do not make any fake diplomas. See, if you know that High Commission or the visa officers are assessing thousands and lakhs of files every day. So they know what kind of documents you are putting up in your file, what is the value of the document, is it fake or not. So student, it is highly advisable not to put any document which will have negative impact on your file. And if they prove that you put a fake document, then you will get banned from Canada. So this is a really critical situation. So students, for gap, you need good advice. If you have gap or if you have any refusal, get in touch with us. We will advise you accordingly and we will guide you step by step that what should you do next.
Yeah, so this is also my personal advice that if you are confused regarding your gap or refusal, you must come to Landmark Immigration once, or you can dial up to 9041390412 for all your queries, and our experts will guide you to what to do with your gap and refusals. Jasmeet ji, thank you very much for this important information today.